First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Avia Fausia and I'm from PBIB class. Now I will explain about psycholinguistic assignment with the topic the concept of psycholinguistics as a language study. There are 5 questions that I will explain the answer to. The first question, is there any relationship between language and the human mind? Explain your view and how they relate. My answer is yes. There is a relationship between language and the human mind. Why? Because language and the mind are connected. The mind generates ideas and language is used to convey those ideas. When we learn a language, our brain also works hard to understand and remember. So, language and the mind support each other in communication and understanding. Number 2, what do you know about psycholinguistics from online sources? According to online sources, psycholinguistics is the study of how the human brain processes language. It covers how we understand, produce speech, and learn languages. Websites like online dictionaries and academic journals explain that psycholinguistics combines the element of psychology and linguistics. These help us understand how the brain functions when we listen, speak, and interact with language in everyday situations. Though psycholinguistic, we can explore the connection between mental process and language use. The third question, what do you know about psycholinguistics from expert views? Psycholinguistics, according to experts, is a study focused on how the human brain processes language. Debut and Kroll explain that psycholinguistics involve cognitive process that support language learning and use. Fernandez and Chairs also explain that psycholinguistics examine how we acquire language, speak, and understand each other. Jodai and Aitchison emphasize that psycholinguistics is the connection between language and psychology, where they look at how our brain works to speak and understand language. In a sense, these experts collectively view psycholinguistics as a way to understand how the brain processes language, both spoken and written, and how this process occurs in daily life. The fourth question, which perspective online or expert do you support more and why? In my opinion, I lean more towards the expert's perspective, although information from online source provides a good general overview of psycholinguistics, but the expert explanation are more in-depth and detailed. Additionally, the emphasis on the relationship between language and psychology by Jodai and Aitchison offers more insight into how our brain works when we speak and understand language. Understanding this process is crucial for developing more effective language learning methods and enhancing our communication skills. The last question is, what are the advantages of learning psycholinguistics, specifically in the context of language teaching and learning? In my understanding, learning psycholinguistics is beneficial for language teaching and learning because it helps educators understand how the brain processes language. It addresses students' language learning difficulties and assists them in overcoming this challenge. It can also improve students' language skills in speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Ultimately, psycholinguistics makes the language learning and teaching process easier and more effective. Okay, that's all I can say. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.